guess what? Today is cleanup day. So today we're gonna be cleaning up my closet slash my stationery closet, a cabinet, whatever you wanna call it. So today we're gonna be cleaning up this bad boy and also the whole entire room itself. It's a mess. So I have my whole entire room to myself. This is actually my room. So I do have 3 beds, but that's my sister's and my bed. So it's technically it's my sister's and my room too. Not the top one. That's my mother's. Those are a lot of novels, by the way. So only this one. This one is my sister's. So obviously not that one either. This one only. 1, 2, 3. All done setting that up. Now I don't know what to do because I've never ever done this. Let's get started on the bed. Okay, setting a bed in 1, 2, 3. All done. Now let's move a little over here. This is a little disappointing. So what I did, I took all the books from over here and then just piled them onto this table. Okay, let's get this cleaned. 1, 2, 3, bam. All done? Okay, now that is all set up. Let's take a little look over here. Oh my god. Okay, let's clean this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, just like that, we are all done with this bed. Let's take a little look over here. These I did change up a little bit. I put that over there and my bag over here. Okay, there's the CD. Okay, let me put this inside of the closet. Okay, next time you will see me, this will be in the closet. 1, 2, 3. Oh, what are you doing over there? Okay, come over here. There. Lock, lock, lock. Let's lock this. Now that we're all done with this, let's move a little bit over here. What happened over here? Okay, let's clean it. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so just like that, it's all done. Nicely clean. Okay, so now let's take a look around over here. Okay, we got a chair misplaced. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that didn't make much of a difference, but it is back to its place, by the way. Okay, let's go ahead and close this. I don't know who came and opened it. Okay, let's close it. Okay, please close it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, all closed up. Some double. Oh my gosh, this place is a mess. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's in there, right over there. Let's take it and put it over here. Okie dokie. Okay, now I think I am done. Just a little bit of dusting here and there. Okay, let me do the dusting. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so just like that, our tables are all nice and smooth. I dusted them. You get out of here. Okay, so yeah, the trash. More trash. Oh my gosh, I'm sick of cleaning. Okay, let me just do a few touch-ups and I will be right back. Get this one. This one. Also this one. Yeah, also this one. Into the trash. Also this little guy. Into the trash. This little guy into the trash. And yeah guys, that was all. Oh my gosh, who opens these cabinets? Okay, so yeah, just like that, our whole entire room is done. It's nice and clean now. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next time. Bye!